guys, January 6, 2021. This one here I got a call from a bakery that I work for once in a while. And he says his proof box, inside I guess there's a drain. Inside the proof box has copper and it's rotted out and it's leaking. I don't know, but he said it's for the proof box. So that thing doesn't really have air conditioning. All it's got in it is got a steam boiler down in the basement that delivers steam up to this thing, and it's just like a humidity box. Gives high humidity into this box to help proof the bread. They roll like the bread in there. It's like a big giant room type of thing. So there's no air conditioning in there. It's just the humidity that they dump in there to help proof the bread, whatever that does. It's kind of an interesting setup. I know that there's a steam boiler in the basement that supplies steam up to this unit on the roof of this thing, and it just dumps humidity, heat and humidity into the space. It gets really hot in there, plus it's humid to help the bread rise. But anyway, he said something about a drain, a copper drain that's rotted. He wants to know if I could help him out. And it's a commercial building, so it shouldn't be, I don't think it should be PVC if it's in a commercial building. It's supposed to be copper by the plumbing code, but I don't know if that falls under the plumbing code. I think it does. I'd have to look at it. We'll see. I should have what I need in the truck to fix it. Miss Molly, you're looking very stylish today. You're looking very stylish this morning, Miss Molly. You're looking very stylish, Miss Molly. This dog's got more coats than Nancy Pelosi. Hey guys, I'm in my truck. I'm back in my truck. This is what we got here. It's real thin. It goes in like it's a steam box on top of the proofer, and this screws into the bottom of the box where there's water in it, so there's water up to this point. And every so often they have to clean the proof box out, so they shut it off and they unscrew it so the water can go down the drain. And you can see it's real thin. So I'm going to make one out of a piece of copper. I'll take a male adapter. Take a male adapter. And I'll take a piece of 3/4 copper. And then I'll notch it with my grinder. And I'll put a cap on the top with a piece, and I could solder it all up so he got a handle on top that's out of the water to unscrew it. I'll show you what I'm going to do. You're looking very stylish there, Miss Molly. You're looking very stylish there this morning. Take off my mask. Let me see what I'm going to do here. I'm going to get creative. Could even take something like this. Cut that, the probe. Maybe. I might even have a piece of brass. See what I could do. When in doubt, make a new one. Alright, so I gotta drill this out. Drill this, put this in there with a drill. I got it marked there. I brought power in from the bakery. Drill it like that, and then I can solder it and get the right bit. It should be ½ inch if I could drill it. We'll see. ½ inch bit. Find out. Once I drill it, I can solder it. I got the power here from the bakery, so across the street and in. live one. She's a live one. And I should be able to solder that with some flux and some solder. It's nice and tight in there. Fitting tight, mama. Fitting tight. Don't even need no solder on that shit, mama. Yeehaw! Good enough for this neighborhood. Once I get this thing all in there and soldered, I could cut the rest of it with the grinder. Make that. So I solder that up. I made it out of 3/4 L, so it's going to be stronger than the little stuff. This doesn't have to have much on the top because it's jammed in there. Let that cool and I can cut it and we'll be good to go. Cut it with the grinder. Give it the old grinder treatment. Good enough for this neighborhood. See the mark right there? That's where I gotta make the groove. That right there is where I gotta make the cut and then down on an angle, so when the water comes up, it'll be at this point and then it'll drain down. This handle here allows you to reach down above the steaming water to release it for cleaning. Steve is working again, mama. Steve is working again. working man, Mama. You're a real working man, Mama. It'll work. I think that's gonna work. Good enough for this neighborhood. It'll work. I don't know how that solder's gonna hold up. I'm sure it's not no 600 degrees, or it'd be steam. It should be fine. It should hold up. I put a piece of a brass nipple in there and soldered it. And this way here, these guys won't be down. MacGyvered it. Oh yeah, I did, Mr. MacGyver. I think MacGyver it. Here's the proof for this 4 doors, and the unit's about that. I'll show you what's going on there with that. Holds water. You can see that it's a steam unit. See, down the bottom, down there. This just screws in. I had to be above the water with the handle. See? Yeehaw, 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 yeehaw. Hey, no, mama. Hey, that's your buddy. There we go. That's done. Hey, sheba, shabada, Buddha. Shibada, Buddha, Buddha, mana. Shibada, Buddha, mana, mida, mana, muda. Ba, 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 de, da, Buddha. Good, Molly. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Looking very stylish today, Miss Molly. You're looking very stylish today, Miss Molly. You're looking very stylish today, Miss Molly. Got the Grinch feet going on there. You have to cut your Grinch feet. You're looking very stylish there, Miss Molly.